Did you know a sleek wall-mounted panel heater can transform your cold room into a cozy paradise without taking up an inch of floor space? Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 wall-mounted panel heaters with slim designs, modern, efficient, and space-saving. Don't miss out. Links are in the description below. On number 5 is Humcalo Graphene Heater. Most people don't realize a heater doesn't have to be bulky to be powerful. The Humcalo Graphene Convection Panel Heater proves that elegance and performance can coexist in one sleek, wall-mounted design. Before this, many struggled with heaters that consumed too much space, unevenly warmed rooms, and spiked energy bills. This model solves all that thanks to its graphene fusion technology and full-mid aluminum heating elements that deliver comforting warmth within just 10 seconds. Its dual heating system spreads heat in a 180-degree range, wrapping your room in gentle, even warmth that feels almost like sunlight. Compared with others in the list of top slim designer wall panel heaters, this one stands out for its quiet performance, energy savings of up to 38%, and smart app control that connects seamlessly with Alexa or Google Assistant. At $239.99, it's more than a heater. It's a long-term comfort investment. If you value quiet efficiency, safety, and refined style, this is the model you'll want on your wall this winter. At number 4 is DeLonghi Convection Panel. Ever wondered if a heater could blend into your decor while quietly transforming your room into a cozy retreat? The DeLonghi Convection Panel Heater does exactly that. Proof that smart design and powerful warmth can share the same slim frame. Many people struggle with bulky heaters that eat up space or blast uneven heat, but this model changes the game. With 1,500 watts of heating power, it quickly fills medium to large rooms with even, comforting warmth, while its ECO Plus function automatically adjusts energy use, cutting costs without compromising comfort. Compared with others in the lineup of slim wall-mounted panel heaters, it stands out for its versatile setup, wall mount or floor standing, and built-in safety features like thermal shutoff and internal tip-over protection. At $209.95, it delivers reliability, peace of mind, and elegance in one. If you crave efficient, quiet heating that looks as good as it performs, this is a smart choice worth considering. On number 3 is Hauxionex Mica Infrared Heater. What if warmth could feel as natural as sunlight, quiet, even, and instant? The Hauxionex Mica Infrared Heater brings that experience home with a refined design that's slim, modern, and built for real comfort. Many users struggle with heaters that take forever to warm up or blast dry, uneven air. But this one changes the game. In just 10 seconds, its Mica infrared panel radiates gentle, far-infrared heat that wraps your space in consistent comfort without fan noise or harsh air circulation. Compared with others in this sleek wall-mounted heater lineup, it stands out for its smart temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune warmth through a digital panel, remote, or app. Perfect for any lifestyle. With multiple heating modes ranging from 32 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, you get full control and peace of mind thanks to advanced safety protections. Priced at $179.99, it's an ideal pick for those seeking quiet efficiency, flexibility, and a design that truly complements modern living spaces. At number 2 is Encyclpo Smart Wall Heater. What if your heater could warm your room in just 2 seconds, silently, safely, and stylishly? The Encyclpo Smart Wall Heater turns that idea into reality, combining intelligent heating with a modern, slim design that feels tailor-made for today's homes. Before this, many people struggled with noisy, bulky heaters that wasted energy and disrupted peace. This model solves that problem through its advanced metal fin heating element, which expands heat conduction for rapid, efficient warmth that stays whisper quiet, only 25 decibels, quieter than a soft whisper. Compared with others in this sleek wall mount lineup, the Encyclpo offers true smart control with remote, wireless, and touch options, giving you comfort at your fingertips. Its customizable temperature range of 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, along with multi-safety protection, ensures a perfect balance of comfort and confidence. Priced at $169.99, it's ideal for anyone seeking smart efficiency, peace of mind, and minimalist elegance, wrapped in one compact heater. Now moving to the last one is Xbeauty Electric Fireplace. Have you ever dreamed of bringing the cozy charm of a real fireplace into a modern, space-saving design? The Xbeauty Electric Fireplace turns that dream into reality, blending warmth, elegance, and innovation in one sleek unit. Many people want the comfort of a fireplace, but worry about installation, space, or maintenance. This model solves those problems beautifully with multiple mounting options, allowing you to recess, semi-recess, or wall-mount it with ease. Perfect for slim, contemporary interiors. Its realistic flame effects are stunning, offering 12 vivid colors and adjustable brightness levels that create a soothing visual experience while delivering up to 5,100 British thermal units of heat. Compared with others in this modern panel heater lineup, the Xbeauty impresses with its quiet operation, energy-efficient heating modes, and remote or touch control convenience. Priced at $199.99, it's more than just a heater. It's a statement piece that combines smart functionality, peace of mind, and true year-round comfort for any stylish home. And the winner among them is the Humcalo Graphene Convection Panel Heater. You should buy this because it combines luxury, intelligence, and performance like no other. With graphene fusion technology and dual heating power, it warms your space in just 10 seconds while saving up to 38% energy. Its whisper-quiet design, smart app control, and premium build make it perfect for modern homes. Tested for real-world comfort, this heater delivers pure warmth, unmatched efficiency, and long-lattering reliability, all in one elegant panel. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 wall-mounted panel heater slim design. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.